Hey, this is Chris with Creative Audio, and today we're going to take a look at the FLX family of the Cicada audio amplifiers. The FLX family of amplifiers is designed to be driven as hard as you ride. It doesn't matter if you've got the breeze on your knees or if you're sitting in a parking lot, it has exactly what you're looking for. The rugged construction of these amplifiers allows for the rough environment of the motorcycle life, allowing massive power in a design that was specifically created to take advantage of the unused space that a traditional rectangular amplifier uses. This allows for larger amplifiers to fit in those smaller compact areas like your fairing. Designed to be plug and play with the optional harnesses so that you don't have to cut into your wires, and will also connect to all of the other Cicada products and accessories. They can be turned on by your traditional remote turn-on wires, by voltage sensing, or by the DC current sensing out of your speaker outputs. They're designed to have multiple mounting configurations in different angles, as well as being able to be used with the optional brackets for either your road glide or your street glide, which can be purchased as a bundle. These small packages carry a mighty punch. From 175 watts by 4 to 250 watts by 4 to 350 watts by 4, one with a built-in DSP, all the way up to a massive 500 watts by 4, there's an amplifier to fit every need. And with the operational voltage range of 8 to 16 volts, they comfortably handle the fluctuations of any Harley electrical system. Along with a 2-year warranty, this is a great plug-and-play system for any bike out there. And that was a quick overview of the FLX family of amplifiers. Stay tuned for more out-of-the-box videos from Creative Audio, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel, and check out our website at creativeaudio.net.